Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of setting up parental controls on Xfinity, ensuring your kids enjoy a safe online experience. Let's get started. Step 1. Access your Xfinity account. Begin by visiting the Xfinity website or opening the Xfinity app on your device. Log into your account using your Xfinity ID and password. Step 2. Navigate to Parental Controls. Once you're logged in, look for the Security or Parental Controls option in the menu. This is typically found in the Settings section of your account. Click on it to proceed. Step 3. Set up a user profile. If you haven't set up user profiles yet, you'll need to create one for your child. Click on Add a Profile and fill in the necessary details, including your child's name and age. This information helps tailor the controls to their needs. Step 4. Customize content restrictions. After creating the profile, customize the content restrictions. You can select specific age ratings for movies and TV shows, block certain websites, and restrict access to apps. Choose the level of restriction that you feel is appropriate for your child. Step 5. Enable internet time limits. To manage how much time your child spends online, you can set daily or weekly internet usage limits. Look for the Internet Time Limits feature and select the days and times when your child can access the internet. Step 6. Monitor activity. Xfinity allows you to monitor your child's online activity. In the Parental Controls section, you'll find options to review their browsing history and app usage. Regularly checking this can help you stay informed about what your child is doing online. Step 7. Save your settings. After you've made all desired changes, be sure to save your settings. Double-check that everything is configured to your satisfaction, and then log out of your Xfinity account if you're done. Don't forget to explain the new rules to your child, and encourage open discussions about internet safety and responsible online behavior. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up.